Guys, Andrew here and welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add the TonKeeper extension to your Google Chrome browser. So once you have your Google Chrome browser open, guys, there's two ways you can go about doing this, right? You can simply type in the TonKeeper here and search for it, and it will take you to the official site here, as you can see at the top. And once you're on the website here, you will see under the browser extension which browser it's available for. So you can simply click on the Chrome, and this will open up the Chrome web store where you can easily find it, and all you have to do is go ahead and add it. Now another way is just simple search it within Google Chrome. So let's say you're not on the website, you're simply just inside Google Chrome. You can click this little puzzle here and go ahead and click on manage extensions, and then you can simply click on visit the Chrome web store or search it. So click on the Chrome web store, it will open up here, and you can simply type in TonKeeper, right? Simple type in that, you'll find it, click on it, and it does the same thing, take you to this page here. You can click and add, then add the extension, right? And once this is added, guys, all you have to do is click on the TonKeeper, and you will see once you click on it from the top here that it opens up and say welcome. Now click and get started, and from here, if you already have an existing account, you can simply click on existing wallet and you can simply log in. Otherwise, you can simply click on new wallet, right? It's going to open up this page here generating here. So click on continue. You will need to copy all of these phrases here, so go ahead and copy all of these, then click on continue, and then go ahead and fill in the correct one as they ask you for here, and you just need to continue the process, and that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.